man, some, bumping music, just like we do here on MX24. Anyways, thank you guys still for tuning in. MX24 TV, every single platform, hashtags MXLIVE. If you want to be a part of the conversations we're having, if there's anything you want to ask, we're absolutely open, to, I always say, questions, suggestions, ideas, feedback. That is what this station is about, right? Being as interactive as possible with you guys, because we're nothing without you. So again, MX24 TV, every single platform, the hashtags MXLive. Now, when it comes to MXLive, we're all about giving this platform to amazing talents, talents we believe are going to do very big things, talents who are chasing their dreams, talents who are very resilient, because you have to be resilient in this industry to survive. And this guy I'm about to talk to seems like he's a very resilient guy. Hello, man.
Hello,
how you doing, my brother?
Doing great.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Starflexx Armani. I'm a versatile artist, but I was mainly Afrobeat, and now I switched.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So that's, I think, going to be like the very interesting part about today's conversation for me, because we know what Afrobeats is doing right now.
Yeah,
Rappers are going to Afrobeats, everybody's switching to Afrobeats. But at the beginning of the, when I met you, right, we're talking about how you have taken a different route and it seemed to work for you.
Yeah, sure.
So we're going to get into that. But again, thank you so much for coming through. You have arguably one of the biggest songs out right now, and everybody's talking about it.
Yeah.
Also, we're going to get to that in a bit.
Sure.
Since this is your first time here, this is our first time having the conversation. Possibly a lot of our viewers are seeing you for the first time.
Yeah.
Give us a bit of context, man, to who this guy is, because I like your name, man. Starflexx Armani. Where's that from?
Yeah, actually, when I was in SHS, they were like, "Bro, you sound like a star. Like you don't sound like an underground." So you're like star. And my name is Felix. So a friend of mine switched it to Starflexx Armani. So I don't know how I got it, but I thought it was a movie.
Just like Wayne Jojo Armani or something.
Yeah, it was a movie and just took the name and stuff.
Okay.
So Starflexx Armani. And I started music. Actually, I was a rapper when I never knew what I was doing. And I started singing. And
yeah, when was this? Like the music? When did it really begin for you? Yeah.
I started music a long time ago.
Was it in SHS?
I was just doing professionally not too long ago, but SHS, yeah.
Okay. So like you used to hop on beats, rap for the friends?
Yeah, YouTube beats and all the stuff. And I've been doing it. And when I started going to the studio, I started going to Afrobeat because it was very easy for me. Okay. Don't need to write too many lines on Afrobeat. And it was good. I was doing it. And I've been doing this. I did it for years. Understand?
That's the Afrobeats.
Afrobeats.
Okay.
Sure.
As you were doing the Afrobeats, how was the response, from your fan base?
Yeah,
I'm sure you were growing. People were getting to know you a bit.
It was great. That's my foundation. That's what most people know me for. Afrobeat. People will call me Afro God.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Afro God. Wow. We have an Afro God here.
If you know Starflexx Armani, you know that I'm very good at Afrobeat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's what my friends know me to be, someone who's very good in Afrobeat.
Okay.
Yes, so for Avenger, I did it 2 years ago. And I never thought of releasing it.
Okay. So wait, while you're doing the Afrobeats, right, were you rapping at any extent, or it was strictly singing for you?
When I entered Afrobeat, I stopped rapping.
Oh, so you were rapping?
Yes.
Got into Afrobeats, stopped rapping?
Stopped rapping. If there's any rapper I would do, maybe trap. Sometimes they call melodic rap.
Yeah. I get that. Like what Young Thug does, what Lil Baby does.
I was doing with the boys, but it was officially not mine.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
People know me, but even till this, some people feature me on trap songs and all the stuff. But I was more my songs. If you check my Spotify and all the stuff, it was mainly Afrobeats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Afrobeats, doing your thing. Were you releasing music professionally during this Afrobeats period? When did it begin for you professionally?
Professionally, like 4 years ago.
Oh, 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm assuming 2 years into that 4-year journey was Afrobeat strictly.
Afrobeat strictly, yeah.
Afrobeat strictly.
Yeah, sure.
And you were getting a nice response.
And once now I tried maybe Afro hip hop kind of style, trying to blend the Afrobeat style into hip hop beats. You understand? The flow is gonna be like Afrobeats, but it's on a hip hop beat. That kind of
Okay.
I was trying to keep the culture. Yeah.
Okay. So keeping the culture, doing your thing, and again, I'm very adamant on the fact that you were getting a nice response from the fans, right?
Fans,
the music.
but it wasn't viral.
It wasn't viral.
It wasn't viral.
Okay.
Yeah. I had the respect, but it wasn't viral.
It wasn't viral. Okay. So while this is going on, And Afrobeats is big at this time, 2019, 2020, Davido, Wizkid, Kelvin Boy here, you know, mad, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Then you do something different. You start dropping hip-hop music.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. I think it's,
I mean, it's not a bad thing, right?
Yeah,
That's
it's not a bad
like,
thing.
why, like, but everybody would say, from a business perspective, he was doing the biggest thing at the time.
Yes.
What made you want to touch or delve into another genre, or the genre you began with, more so?
Do you know one thing I like about myself? It's like I keep challenging myself.
Okay.
To try something new. I always want to be different. And I sat down and I was like, okay, Afrobeat is selling worldwide, but when you come to Ghana, when you look at most of the big top artists, they're not about Afrobeat. Look at Black Sheriff. Black Sheriff has never done an Afrobeat solo song on his own. But he's selling. He's one of the biggest artists in Ghana. So he's making
That's actually really interesting.
Yeah, you know? So he's making, so it means where we are right now in Ghana, it means people don't, Afrobeat is big, but our indigenes here, like people in Ghana, they prefer something different.
Okay.
So
this was from you studying the market?
I studied market, yeah.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, fine. I already know how to do hip-hop and those stuffs. Let me put something out there. Even after recording Avenger, it was at home for like 2 years.
Okay. So you recorded Avenger, right? And after recording Avenger, you had recorded other songs which you were releasing.
Yeah, I was releasing them.
Okay, and these were hip hop songs?
No.
Or not necessarily? Were they still Afrobeats?
Afrobeats, yeah, Afrobeats, Afro dance, so like Afro.
Were there any hip hop songs in there, or not at all?
Yeah.
As in the 2 years before you dropped the Avenger?
There was Afro melodic, Afro trap song in it, yeah.
Okay.
I featured 1 or 2 people.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So you did all these things. Why did you decide to drop Avenger a month ago, let me ask?
Yes. Whenever people come to my house, and I have a mini studio in my house, like people be like, when I intentionally play to them, and they be like, the song is mad, bro.
Okay.
The song, release it. And I was like, people have been disturbing me to release the song, so let me just release it and plan my project so that they won't disturb me.
Okay. Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So I was like, okay, I just did a cover art. The cover art wasn't even planned. I just used my phone and did it.
So you were just putting it out there?
Just putting it out there so that they'll stop disturbing me.
Okay.
It shouldn't be like I didn't put it out there.
So it wasn't necessarily a conscious effort that I'm going to do hip-hop again solely now?
Yes, I just, but I made up my mind, like, so after the response, like, okay, so, I mean, if this is good, then I need to stick to this style.
Yeah, like a light bulb.
Yeah.
Okay,
then I saw the comments. People were like, we need more like this. We need this kind of song, like, because it wasn't a love song. It was something that was speaking about reality, and it was kind of describing me, the kind of person I am, and those stuff.
I think for the fact that we've sat here and spoken for like 10 minutes about Afrobeats shows how big Afrobeats is worldwide.
Is big.
Now you said something interesting, right? And it's just like occurring to me, like the biggest artists in Ghana now mostly don't really do Afrobeats. Maybe Stonebwoy delves into it. We look at Shatawale, Sarkodie, Black Sherif, like you're saying, these are arguably the biggest artists from Ghana right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you do this. When you're thinking about breaking through international, because I'm sure you want to go international worldwide, is that something you think about that, okay, if I look at how Burna Boy is taking things, Wizkid and Davido are taking things, do you sit down and tell yourself that you might delve into it again if you want to go international? That's
one good thing about me being formally an Afrobeat artist.
Okay.
Because when I get there, it will be so simple for me.
Oh. And I'm going to this might just be a stepping stone,
I'm going to blend it. Even Avenger has some kind of Afro vibe in it.
Okay.
But it's classified as a hip-hop song. But if you look into the instrumentations, like, there was still the original me in it.
What do you think about rap and hip-hop in Ghana right now?
I think
Are you happy with the state of rap?
Is the foundation of Ghana music. And I think if, as time goes on, people are going to discover that Avenger is keeping hip-hop alive in Ghana. If you check the top songs that are trending right now in Ghana, they're all hip live Afrobeats. Which hip-hop song is trending right now? On TikTok, you calculate it.
Okay.
You see that Avenger has the bigger response right now.
Okay.
I'm not saying that it's gonna, but for now, Avenger is the hip-hop song that is trending on TikTok and all this stuff.
Don't you see that as a big weight on your shoulders? Like, bro, like you've done this, right? And it's worked out.
There's no weight.
Everybody's like talking about it. So now everybody's gonna be like, okay, what's the next hip-hop song gonna be? Okay, is he gonna continue rapping? Is he gonna like sway towards what the market is asking for more?
I'm trying to, I think I should take this part because I've seen I don't do what people are doing.
Okay. And bro,
Yeah.
like it's number 4 in Shazam right now. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah. I don't want to do what people are doing. Check that list. You see that there's no hip hop song in top 10.
Yeah. I'm seeing Kweku
Yes.
Darlington at number 3, B Strap at number 2.
Yeah.
Number 1 is Kitty. These are not hip hop songs.
They're not hip hop
But yours
songs.
is.
Yes, and that's an Afrobeat artist right there.
Yeah. That's crazy.
It's crazy. So it's one of the weirdest switch in the industry right now.
Yeah.
People are switching. Rappers are turning into hip life.
And you see, that's why I asked you that question about what you think about the state of hip hop, because you're doing your thing, right? But when you look at your peers, again, you don't have to expect anybody to do what you're doing. But does it, to some extent, let me ask you like this, does it break your heart, or do you wish that more rappers would emerge or sustain it, so to speak?
Like I said, I think hip hop is the foundation of Ghana music. If you check from the roots, like not the root of foundation, but I think when hip hop, Ghana music started going international, there was hip hop like in it. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So I think be yourself. If you're into hip hop and you're good at it,
Yeah.
do it.
I think people are just scared, right?
People are scared. Everybody wants money.
Right?
Me too. That was the same mind. The
Okay.
same. I felt like, no, I think I should do what is going to help me feed me and my family.
Yeah.
But maybe God has plans for me, and
Yeah.
I don't know about it.
Yeah.
And sometimes look at people like Black Sheriff. He's doing his thing. You can't force Black Sheriff to do an Afrobeat and release an Afrobeat. But when you feature him on Afrobeat, he's going to do it. Look at Lomo,
right?
and it's number 1. And his verse is trending.
Yeah, right.
So that's what it tells you a lot about being original.
Yeah.
Let's be original with ourselves.
Yeah.
You doing Afrobeat and stuff.
I like that you're saying that, because, I think right now, and just like we're victims of this, right? We're sitting here talking about a genre. But what we've forgotten as society, as music lovers, is it is all music.
It's all music.
There's jazz, there's hip hop, there's,
do what you
ballet,
can do
but it's all music, right?
music.
And I don't know if it's creating a divide because, again, maybe because we're seeing it as a business, forgetting that we love it. Like,
yeah, and a lot of people be like, Afrobeat is Nigerian Afrobeat.
Yeah, that's another thing.
We are all Africans,
Yeah.
We're all Africans. The same person saying Afrobeat is Nigerian is also listening to Jay-Z and the rest.
Yes.
So let's be original. If you can do it, then do it. Only if the boys.
Me and my brother Mark are always listening to Drake, man. Like every day.
It's normal. It's cool. It's music. That's what you want. It's a taste of music.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you have a taste for Afrobeat, it's normal.
Was it at that point you released Avenger, or when your friends listened to Avenger that you knew that this song is going to be a hit? Or was it like when it was out there that you know, this song is going to go places? What was that moment for you?
The funny thing is, I released it one week and I was posting about Avenger on TikTok, and it was giving me like 150 views.
Oh.
200 views.
Okay.
And I got discouraged. And
okay.
there was a day I posted a video with the caption, "Who is this guy?"
You posted your video?
My video, I was like, who's this guy?
Like third person, who's this guy?
Who's this guy? Just, I'm done. Bye-bye.
And you just put it out there in the universe.
Who's this guy? And people like, he's a Ghanaian. He's a Ghanaian. I heard Gidi Gidi in it. He's a Ghanaian.
Okay. Oh, like people didn't know.
They didn't know. Then I saw that people started getting interest in the song. UK, people started Shazamming it in UK, Germany. Then later Ghanaians started. So right now Ghanaians, their attention is on Ghanaians right now.
Okay.
So that's how it went.
Okay. What's your, I don't know if you know this, I don't know if you've planned it. What's your next song going to be? Again, victim of genres. Is it going to be a hip hop song? Is it going to be an Afrobeat song?
It's going to be an Afro hip hop. But
Afro
something like Avenger.
Okay.
Yeah, it speaks about myself, like personality and life. Yeah.
Speaking about yourself, for those who don't know you, right? People getting to know you for the first time. I'm sure today's conversation is going to give them a lot of context.
Yeah. And
what do you want your sound, your personality to tell people who are getting to know you?
Yeah, I just want them to know that I'm here to share my I think my experience in music. That's the only way I can communicate to the world right now. To tell you anything about me is through music, because nobody's going to listen to me when I talk.
Yeah.
So I need to pass a lot of information through music. Yeah, because I've been an underG here in Ghana. I was born in someone's country. I was born in Nigeria, and I was an underground in Nigeria and Ghana. So I've seen it all, you know.
Yeah, right. You've experienced both markets, trying to get music out there. But you're full Ghanaian.
Full Ghanaian.
Okay.
Full
Bro,
Ghanaian.
you've been hustling, man.
Yeah. Imagine a guy who has been under in 2 countries.
Yeah,
man.
that's
Struggle
crazy.
here, crazy.
But I was just saying, I don't know if this is coincidence. I was talking about, you heard this, resilience, right? And I think per that, you're a perfect embodiment of someone who's resilient.
Yeah.
Why haven't you stopped?
I don't give up.
Because you've tried it here, it might not work. I tried it here.
Thing is, I like proving people wrong.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Tell me that you ain't gonna do it.
Like that girl who broke your heart, right? Right? Okay. Yeah, okay. I didn't have a Benz, so yeah, you left me, right? I'm going back.
I've not experienced something like that though, but
you never had a broken heart.
Breaking my heart because of I don't have something. I've never seen something like that.
Oh,
before.
bro, you're fortunate, bro. You're blessed.
Because I'm focused on my achieving my goals. So
Nice,
maybe that's the reason why
Yes,
I'm.
that's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
sure.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so Avengers out there. You released it a month ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, right.
What's the plan for the rest of the year before we get to Avenger?
Initially, I had collaborations with people, but I wanted to define myself in the industry before releasing those songs. So right now, I think I'm defining myself right now. So maybe I'll be releasing a new song probably next month, and I'll be dropping an EP afterwards.
Wow, that's big.
I'm
All
mad.
this year, God willing?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want
No resting,
no
right?
space.
Yeah, I mean,
the industry is not a place for you to relax. Ghana
yeah.
music industry is not like American. That's after dropping a hit song or.
You relax.
And I'm not even done with Avenger yet, so.
Okay.
Still
So that
hitting
while
hard.
that's going on, promotional runs.
Yeah,
Are
sure.
we going to get maybe a remix? Usually when something
Probably.
that big.
I've got to know it's okay. Let me talk about it. But international, I've gotten like someone from international artist has contacted me for like
Wow.
a remix. So it's not yet sent, but that's confidential for now.
Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be out, and one Ghanaian artist.
Bro, congratulations,
hard.
man.
Yeah.
Keep
Thanks,
doing your
man.
thing. I like your story.
Yeah.
This is your home. Please bring your music whenever you want to. We're here to support you. Is there anything you want to tell your fans before you leave, before we get to Avenger?
Yeah. First of all, thanks to my friends who never give up on me.
Nice.
No, it's never been easy, but thank you so much. Thank you so much. They know themselves. If I start mentioning names, I'm gonna be done today. But yeah,
I like that.
Thanks to Kojo Craig, Greenester, and the rest. I love you so much.
Nice one, man.
Yeah,
I
sure.
appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
And I'm very proud of you and your journey. I can't wait to hear the new music.
Space with a big dagger. Leave that space, you fake nigga. You just act, I save you the life. Fire born. Set you a grown. Anytime I stay fly like man a drone. Come on a roll, so man don't fall. I go come at you when the time is due. Free that king, free that soul. When I'm no more, you can take my drone. But I still there, you can touch my soul. Even though man can't man go. Highly protected.